Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video. And here today, I'm here to talk about how to scan the best scan for swing trading, how to find some great stocks to put on your watch list, to add to your watch list, so you can really make the returns for the year that you are looking to make. And today, we're here to talk about this beautiful website called Finviz, Finviz. Maybe some of people have heard of it, maybe y'all have not. But this is the main place I get my scans from, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what scans I look for. I'm going to say my scanning is for trades that are on support levels, stocks that are on support levels. I know people that have different videos on scanning. They don't explain what setup they're looking for. I'm looking for a good stock that is on a support level pending a bounce. Anybody that is trading support and resistance trades, this is the perfect scan for you. This is Finviz. As you can see the layout, it's very cool. It has a lot of different information on it. Top gainers, top losers, shows how the overall market is doing right now. It's been in the toilet, so a lot of my swing trades were very bad this morning. I had a couple of winners that have really taken advantage of this market, but most of them were down. But to get into it, what you want to do is go into Screener. So you click on Screener up top right here, and I hit all. As soon as I get on here, I hit all. But with Finviz, it has a lot of different sections to choose from. It has the descriptive section, the fundamental section, and the technical section. So if you want to make a scan for you, you definitely can do that. But right now, we're going to show you exactly what I look for with my swing trade. So right now, I hit all. And the first thing I want to go for is average volume. So average volume is how many people are buying and selling the stock average per day. Right now, I don't want anything under 100K. The reason why I don't want anything under 100K, because sometimes under 100K is hard to get out of, and automatically this knock $3,000 options out of the way. If you're trading with lower volume stocks, you will notice that the ability to sell this thing is very, very difficult, because you're waiting for somebody to pick up your order to buy it. So I don't touch anything under 100K. It's not worth it. It's not the move. The second thing I look for is the pattern. We are looking for a support level bounce, so we want to make sure we have a support level available. So right now, I do a trend line support. You can change your pattern up. Some people like to do the wedges. Some people like to do the channel up, symmetrical triangles, stuff like that. Occasionally, I'll switch it out if I want to find a wedge to buy off of support. But generally, I just like the basic trend line support. So we're going to click on that. The next thing I like to look for is the volatility. The reason why I like the volatility, this one you can do between the beta or the volatility. I switch interchangeably between the two. The beta, just if I'm doing beta, I like to have it over 1. I'm going to show you exactly what both of them look like. So the beta I like to have over 1 because I want them more volatile than the overall market. So if the market is moving 1%, I want my stocks to move maybe 3%, 4%, stuff like that. I don't want to just have the basic returns of the market. I'm trying to get better. So over 1 represents a stock that's moving more than the market is. But we're going to change that out. Same with volatility. This just shows that the stock is very volatile over the past week, month, year, etc., etc. For my swing trades, I generally do over 3% a month, because if a stock cannot move over 3% in a month, I don't want it. So that's going to knock out a lot of different companies that I'm looking at over the scan. As you can see, it knocked down another 2,000 options, so we're left with 2,000 companies left. And the next thing I want to look for is the performance. So for me, I want to be buying these things off of support. I want these things to be on a downtrend, and I want to begin to take a position as they begin to push up. So what I do, I look for stocks that are down on the week. What this is going to do is narrow my selection down to 790 companies, which is pretty good. That's pretty decent to have 790 companies to look through. And let's pull up the charts. So if you want to pull up the charts, you go here, you hit charts. And this is how I find majority of my companies. So 790 really isn't that much. So here we go. We got one example already that popped up. ADMS is bouncing right off support, as you can see. You just have to do your own due diligence on the company. It's a drug manufacturer company. Let's click on it, see what it looks like. So see, it is bouncing off of the support levels, which looks great. So for me, I was to wait for a confirmation for this thing to begin to push up. After I get that confirmation, a candlestick confirmation or such, then I will look to begin to put some risk around it and take a position. And this is all coming off of the scan. The stocks that I looked at before, if you looked at my previous videos, the CAR stock that I bought in the election period and the LOV stock that I bought during the holiday season were all off of this scan. They were all nice support levels. They were down on the week, and they were more volatile, and they had good volume. Very simple scan, not looking for anything crazy, nothing complex. That's what it's about. With these scans, you just want to keep it super simple. You don't want to take out everything, but you just want to remove the garbage. And all you're doing is just looking through these different stocks. You're just going through. If you want to narrow it down, sometimes I narrow it down to a market cap. Like if I'm only looking for maybe small caps or mid caps or micro caps, you can also do that as well. But this scan is just fine. All you're doing, it's 700 names. You're just going to quickly skim through them. Quickly skim through. Don't really like these. Don't really like these. This might look a little decent. AFYA starting to bounce. Maybe we can start to see a push. Maybe put that on the watch. We got AG. Looks a little interesting. Maybe we can get a push off of that one as well. But that's all you're doing. This is really a simple scan. That's all it really takes. It's nothing magical about it at all. It's just finding a scan, finding something simple, and then able to see it. Once you see your setup that looks good, take advantage of it, put it on your watch list, put it on your weekly watches, and begin to wait for it to begin to push up and ready to trade. So I like AMD. Here goes AMD. This is a very popular company. I already know this is a great company. It's off of the support level here at $90. So that looks great. Probably looking for a candlestick confirmation. I actually might put this on my watch list. Look at me. I'm doing a video and actually working hard and finding a swing trade for me for the next coming week or month. So that is really that simple. You just set up this scan and you just go through it and you're able to find stocks. It's super simple, not difficult at all. But that's going to wrap it up. If you have any questions on the scan, how to find these stocks, let me know down in the comment section down below. You can also hit me up in my DMs on Instagram or Twitter. My Twitter and Instagram handle is down below. But that's going to wrap it up. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest. Make sure you hit the like button, of course. Spam that like button. All right, I'll see y'all.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga